Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing a serious but manageable condition called pancreatitis. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what pancreatitis is, its causes, symptoms, and the modern medical treatments available. Let's introduction to pancreatitis. The pancreas is a vital organ located behind your stomach. It has two main functions: producing digestive enzymes to help break down food and releasing hormones like insulin to regulate blood sugar. Pancreatitis refers to the inflammation of pancreas and is classified into two types: acute and chronic. Acute pancreatitis occurs suddenly and can be life-threatening, while chronic pancreatitis develops over time, leading to permanent damage. Let's explore the causes behind these conditions. Causes of pancreatitis are gallstones and excessive alcohol consumption. Gallstone can block the pancreatic duct, while alcohol damages the pancreatic cell directly. Other causes include high levels of triglyceride or calcium in blood, certain medication like steroid or antibiotics, or genetic disorders, autoimmune disease, infection and abdominal injuries. Symptoms of pancreatitis. The symptoms of pancreatitis can vary depending on whether it is acute or chronic. In acute pancreatitis, the hallmark symptom is severe abdominal pain that often radiates to back. Other symptoms include nausea, vomiting, fever, a rapid heartbeat, and a swollen abdomen. In chronic pancreatitis, the pain may become persistent or intermittent, and patients often experience weight loss, diarrhea, and even diabetes due to damage to insulin producing cells. Now we will talk about diagnosis of pancreatitis. It involves a combination of blood test and imaging studies. Elevated level of pancreatic enzyme like amylase and lipase in the blood are key indicators. Doctors may also recommend imaging techniques like ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI to identify the extent of inflammation and underlying causes like gallstones. Now, treatment for pancreatitis. It depends on its severity. For acute pancreatitis, hospitalization is often required. Patients are given IV fluids, pain relief, and are asked to fast temporarily to rest the pancreas. If gallstones are the cause, they may be removed surgically. In chronic pancreatitis, management focuses on relieving pain, correcting nutrient deficiencies, and treating complications like diabetes. Pancreatic enzyme supplements are often prescribed to help with digestion. Now, we will talk about complication and its prevention. If left untreated, pancreatitis can lead to complications like infection, pancreatic pseudocyst, and even organ failure in severe cases. Chronic pancreatitis increases the risk of diabetes and pancreatic cancer. Prevention is key. Limit alcohol consumption, avoid smoking, maintain a healthy diet, and address gallstone or high triglyceride. In summary, pancreatitis is a serious condition, but early diagnosis and proper medical care can lead to recovery in most cases. Remember to prioritize a healthy lifestyle and seek medical attention if you experience persistent abdominal pain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and